gain information from the particular correspondent that will support our study about the youth problem nowadays. Here's the short introduction about our study. Salute your friends. Don't let others influence you. Tara, Tonyo, simula tayo. Ay, ba tayo? Papay, boy. Sigat. Tol, ayoko nga. Don't let temptations come along the way. Ate, magkano yan? 30 sa'yo, ate, 25 sana. Pagpapin nga po. Ito po. Salamat po. Diba sabi nila masama daw sa katawan? Pero, tingnan natin kung masarap. Huwag masama yan! Don't let curiosity overcome you. Ano po lang yun? Yata! Fiesta! Together celebrate! Ano kaya ginagawa rin? Siguro? Tara, sana tayo. Tara! Baka may sumali. Siyempre naman! Come on! Let's join the youth! Yata! Fiesta! Together celebrate!
I found something that money can't buy. I found a gold mine beyond the blue sky. I found a land where I live when I die. I found the Lord, a rich man am I. I found a dream that's sure to come true. I found a rainbow that's never turned blue. I found a
Let us all help in perfecting smoking and drinking among the youth. The youth is our future.